Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your addition skills? What is 3 plus 3? The answer is 6. What is 5 plus 2? The answer is 7. What is 4 plus 6? The answer is 10. What is 7 plus 8? The answer is 15. What is 9 plus 1? The answer is 10. What is 14 plus 18? The answer is 32. What is 23 plus 16? The answer is 39. What is 35 plus 27? The answer is 62. What is 42 plus 31? The answer is 73. What is 57 plus 19? The answer is 76. What is 61 plus 22? The answer is 83. What is 46 plus 35? The answer is 81. What is 29 plus 17? The answer is 46. What is 38 plus 42? The answer is 80. What is 51 plus 33? The answer is 84. What is 66 plus 15? The answer is 81. What is 24 plus 37? The answer is 61. What is 59 plus 28? The answer is 87. What is 48 plus 17? The answer is 65. What is 33 plus 45? The answer is 78. What is 27 plus 66? The answer is 93. What is 62 plus 38? The answer is 100. What is 49 plus 26? The answer is 75. What is 55 plus 29? The answer is 84. What is 71 plus 13? The answer is 84. What is 36 plus 48? The answer is 84. What is 22 plus 59? The answer is 81. What is 34 plus 51? The answer is 85. What is 43 plus 39? The answer is 82. What is 52 plus 14? The answer is 66. What is 61 plus 34? The answer is 95. What is 37 plus 44? The answer is 81. What is 25 plus 46? The answer is 71. What is 58 plus 32? The answer is 90. What is 41 plus 29? The answer is 70. What is 66 plus 24? The answer is 90. What is 53 plus 47? The answer is 100. What is 64 plus 28? The answer is 92. What is 72 plus 19? The answer is 91. What is 45 plus 36? The answer is 81. What is 54 plus 26? The answer is 80. What is 39 plus 51? The answer is 90. What is 67 plus 22? The answer is 89. What is 26 plus 64? The answer is 90. What is 55 plus 38? The answer is 93. What is 44 plus 29? The answer is 73. What is 69 plus 14? The answer is 83. What is 31 plus 49? The answer is 80. What is 36 plus 61? The answer is 97. What is 59 plus 36? The answer is 95.